nigga trippin'. You gon' have me on a late night mission. Pulling up, I can't keep my distance. I don't know, girl, I can see it different. I just wanna slide on through, provide for you. Can name a list of things that I can do. Let me just glide on through, provide for you.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are about to do a, what are we doing? Everyday makeup look. No, we're not gonna do everyday. We're gonna do like a natural glam look. That's what we're gonna do. So this is my look that I do whenever I go out. I just like, and I want to throw on some makeup, I just throw this on real quick. So that's what we doing. Talk to y'all at the end when we slayed and pulled together. What's up, y'all? So we gonna start off by clipping our hair back. Excuse my voice, I'm home with the Rona. So clip the hair back. Now we are doing our eyebrows using the Anastasia brow wiz. I realize that this is better than a pomade because, you know, I feel like us as a society, we are past the drawn on, like, perfect eyebrows. These is a little more fluffy when you use the pencil. So we're going to use the pencil. Now we're going on with our shape tape. In with our shape tape. Sorry.
Then we started, evidence we miss alignment, not get more in love with you each argument. Something wrong with me, I like the way you screw your face up, trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get on without you. It's a shame and I can't blame myself. Keep it loving you, you do it this. All that I know is mirrors inside me, they recognize.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to go in with our Juvia's Place palette first. This is the blush palette. So I went in with that color at the top all the way to the right first. And then off camera, I went in with the color in the middle. So I'm not going to show that. We're just going to fast forward here. So I just went in with the black from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Okay, y'all, so at this part, let me explain myself. I do not usually put on this much concealer. I went a little heavy-handed because I am going to put on 3 different concealers, so I did not mean to put that much, so y'all don't need to put that much, so please throw me out. And y'all, this color did not look right at first. It looks so off. But when I blended it out, it ended up looking fine. But it's probably not my correct shade. Y'all know makeup shopping in the pandemic is horrible. So work with me. It ended up looking okay, though.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody else. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit. Yeah. I've been contemplating, meditating, should've waited, should've never dated. You seem irritated, baby, why you never say it? Isn't this worth saving? I can feel you fading off. We're not gonna make it long. Guess you cannot take it. Guess it's worth saying. It's none of your concern anymore. None of your concern. Is it even worth it?
So right here, I'm going to set my under eye and set my smile lines around my mouth. So I find that this method helps with not getting flashbacks. So if you're somebody that struggles with that, stop the baking, stop all the unnecessary powder. Just take a little bit, dab it up under where you need to set it, and then wipe it on away. And then now I'm going to bronze.
See what little mistake, and trust me, she really don't want beef. That's besides the point. I'm disappointed as a homie. What is it you see? I want better for you moving forward. What's better for you to me? Guess that's none of my concern anymore. None of my concern. It ain't even worth it no more. It ain't even worth it. It don't even hurt anymore. It don't even hurt. It ain't gonna work anymore. It ain't gonna work. You've been hearing things and seeing things, and so it seems I'm moving on my own.
For the nighttime looks, the black, you need some black. Gonna smoke it out and make you look sexy. Period.
To blame.
Take this.
Once I felt a wave, and not today. I'm not afraid, now I can say, get your off on my phone.
Alright, now that that is that, you gotta go in with the black liner. You have to. You see that? That just turns you into a bad bitch. That right there. You see the difference? Do you see the difference? This side just look complete. So, last thing I'm gonna do is, I don't wanna put no lashes on. I don't wanna put no lashes on. So I'm about to, we're gonna do mascara. This is my favorite mascara, y'all. This, Too Faced Better Than Sex. Period. Gets the job done. Gets the job done. So, I'm gonna put this mascara on. I'm gonna give myself a little more because it's giving, this look is giving. I need a little more. Might as well spray first. Her. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it's given. Alright, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Morphe lip liner. Gotta overline the lid. Just a little bit. Where y'all go? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I like you, y'all. And I'm gonna just take my, what is this? Bath and Body Works lip gloss. Alright, so this is the final look. What is she giving? Because she's giving a little bit of something. I'm trying to fuck even know her mama there. Low key, I be texting all her friends. Wait, because I'm looking cute in person. I need to go take some pictures or something. What y'all think, y'all? Let me know in the comments what y'all think. This is like the best my skin be looking with this routine, with these products I use. When I use these, baby, skin looks immaculate. Alright, y'all, thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope that I was helpful, and I hope that y'all like the look. Yeah, so y'all can subscribe, like this, to watch some more of my videos. I'm always here. Come back for more. Alright, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a happy holidays, and yeah, Happy New Year.